Well, the EU is not behaving like a counterpart. They are being subservient to Trump. Despite the grumblings, they do whatever Trump says. They're in complete violation of the nuclear deal. So for 18 months, the Iranians were the only party that were in compliance, whereas the Americans had torn the agreement. The Europeans were doing the same thing that the Americans were doing. They were just talking differently. They were saying, we hope to find a solution, but they did nothing. So after 18 months, the Iranians began to decrease their commitments in order to put pressure on the Europeans to start abiding by theirs, by their own commitments. The Iranians have been saying all along that as we decrease our commitments, all of them are reversible if the Europeans begin to implement what they agreed to do.
Okay.
But now the Iranians have reached a stage where there are no longer any limitations on the Iranian nuclear program, but Iran is still abiding by much of the deal because the International Atomic Energy Agency still has full they observe every aspect of the nuclear enrichment cycle and Iran's nuclear program within the context of the deal.